It's no more a secret that conventional buildings have a compounding negative impact on the environment in the United States alone. Buildings account for 38% of greenhouse gas emissions, resulting from 68% of total electricity consumption, along with an overall 39% of total energy usage. Conventional buildings have been found to dump millions of tons of waste each year that are harmful for the soil and the environment. The construction materials used in them also leads to poor indoor air quality as well as overall environmental degradation of biodiversity and natural habitats. Meanwhile, the climate change caused by the emissions released by these buildings threatens the very existence of our planet. It even degrades the building site while occupying the majority of the land, leading to the depletion of freshwater resources on the planet. Green buildings are a sustainable solution to this looming threat over planet Earth. To learn more about sustainability, green development, and opportunity zones, visit www.buildgreenlife.com.